Nitesh Tiwari has reportedly completed the shoot of the most anticipated Ranbir Kapoor-led Ramayan Part 1. To know all the details, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. In April 2024, Nitesh Tiwari went on floors with his upcoming movie Ramayan. It is said to be mounted on a staggering budget of 825 crores. Starring Ranbir Kapoor and Sai Pallavi in the lead, we hear the shoot of Part 1 has been completed. Ranbir Kapoor will play Lord Ram, while Sai Pallavi will play Sita Ma. Rumors suggest that KGF Chapter 2 actor Yash has been roped into play Ravan. In addition, Lara Dutta will portray Kaikai and Sunny Deol will play Lord Hanuman. Vijay Sethupathi, Arjun Govil and Bobby Deol are also reportedly a part of the project. As per a recent report, Nitesh Tiwari has already concluded the Part 1 of Ranbir Kapoor starrer. A source close to the development reveals the first part of the film is now complete, with probably some patchwork pending, and VFX work has begun. According to the report, 12 massive sets were created to shoot Ramayan Part 1 and the crew has already started dismantling them. Instead of the trilogy, Nitesh Tiwari has decided to release the film in two parts. The shooting of the second part will reportedly begin soon and is expected to conclude by December 2025. Earlier, it was revealed that Ramayan will need 600 days of post-production work and is eyeing a 2027 release. Ranbir Kapoor also said in an interview that he has been preparing for 3 hours daily for one of his upcoming films, which fans believed was the epic mythology. Since there is no confirmation by Nitesh Tiwari, it is doubtful if the shooting has been completed. Albeit the hype around Ramayan is massive, and there are 3 major reasons why we feel it could be a blockbuster. Number 1, the director Nitesh Tiwari. Nitesh Tiwari, the man behind Dangal, the biggest, highest grossing Indian film at the worldwide box office, is the unbeatable box office king. So far, trust him to use every penny of the estimated 835 crore budget and deliver a never seen before visual spectacle on the big screen. The casting coup. Bollywood and South actors have previously come together in films like Kalki 2898 AD, Brahmastra, RRR, and it has been highly favorable at the box office. One can only imagine how a biggie starring Ranbir Kapoor, Yash, Vijay Sethupathi and Sunny Deol would do at the ticket windows. Last and the most important reason, Ramayan, the nostalgia. There is a huge sense of nostalgia attached to the epic Ramayan. Probably every generation has spent hours watching Ramanand Sagar's Ramayan on their television. Ramayan Part 1 will focus on Lord Ram and Sita's childhood, followed by their marriage, which leads to 14 years of exile. It will include the initial sequences that lead to a war against Ravan. So how excited are you for Ramayan, and what do you think? Will it be a blockbuster hit? Do let us know your views in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.